Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making my famous Russian tea cakes. Now this is not like your normal tea cakes that you find where you use a mixer and you have to chill. These are shortbread cookies. They've been in my family for years, and here, this is what so I'm going to show you what I have all the ingredients in a bowl already, and I'm going to be ready to mix them. Let me show you. So guys, I have flour, butter, confectionery sugar, vanilla, and salt, plus walnuts. That's all you need. And how do you mix them, you ask? With these. So you want to go in there and mix them with your hand till the flour and the butter stop sticking to your hands. When that happens, stop doing what you're doing, because otherwise your cookies are going to be tough and dry, and that's what you have to do. So if you like what you're seeing so far, please hit that subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell so you can see when I post my next recipe, and keep on watching, and I'll show you my other secrets to making this Russian tea cakes that you'll get nothing but demands for and praises for, and everybody will want them every single year because they're going to be so fantastic. Hi guys, today I'm making Russian tea cakes. Now I put all the ingredients together and I mixed it with my hands, and you want to use your hands because that'll make sure it's totally incorporated. So you know when it's ready, when it looks like something like this and it no longer sticks to your hands. Now, I like big cookies. I don't make the little teeny Russian tea cakes. I make what they call 2-biters. So here's my cookie sheet. You don't need to do anything to it. My oven is set to 400 degrees. I'll include the recipe in the description. So if you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell to see when my next video is. So here we go. You take a nice handful and roll it into a ball as possible. And since these are like a shortbread cookies, you don't need to space them out because they're not going to flatten. So you just do that. And fill up the cookie sheet. Like so. So the tray is done. Off to the 400 degree oven. Now the trick, I'll show you how to bake these so they're nice and moist and not dry like you've had other Russian tea cakes. So as you can see, they've only turned lightly brown, and that's how you want them. So these are shortbread. So you want to let them cool for a few minutes so they can harden up, and then I'll show you the next step. So I've let the cookies cool for 5 minutes, and now what I'm going to do, I have a bowl full of confectionery sugar. You take a cookie and you roll it in the confectionery sugar, covering it all. And you do that for all of them. And we'll see what's next. So there's one other trick you can do to make your Russian tea cakes really good. So if you put them in a container, what you're going to do is you're going to roll them in confectionery sugar again, like so. And that way they'll be extra powdery and sweet and sugary, and your friends are just going to rave about them. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell so you can see when the next video I post. And I hope you have a great holiday, and I hope you'll watch my videos in 2021. And thanks for watching.